COVID-19 program. Today, our program is on COVID-19 preventing transmission. Are you all ready? Yes? Yeah. Are you all ready? Then let's go for it. Here we go. कटघरे में खड़े देश की मांग है, कटघरे में खड़े देश की मांग है, इंसान समझे इसका विज्ञान है। हम भी बदल सकते हैं इस हवा का रुख, देखो कोरोना कैसा आया है। दिन वो फिर आया है, उदासी चेहरे पर छाई है, अकेला कोना सिमटे को देखो कोरोना कैसा आया है। दूर दूर सबसे है, किसी को अब टच नहीं करते हैं, एक बिछोना मिल बस सोने का, सोने को देखो कोरोना कैसा आया है। तुम्हें कोरोना तो नहीं, तुम्हें कोरोना तो नहीं, बुखार से तप रहा तुम्हारा बदन है, तो दो बर्तन मिल बस खाने को, देखो कोरोना कैसा आया है। परहेज में प्रेम छिप गया, परहेज में प्रेम छिप गया, ये लगा जैसा बेदखल कर दिया। लेकर उदास सा मन, लेकर उदास सा मन, देखो कोरोना कैसा आया है। वक्त आगे निकल गया, वक्त आगे निकल गया, पर पीछे कौन सा रोग छोड़ गया। वक्त आगे निकल गया, पर पीछे कौन सा रोग छोड़ गया। घर ही आज हुआ सेफ है, घर ही आज हुआ सेफ है, देखो कोरोना कैसा आया है। मंदिर मस्जिद में जाना नहीं, मंदिर मस्जिद में जाना नहीं, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग का आज ट्रेंड है, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग का आज ट्रेंड है। पूरी दुनिया में छाया खौफ है, पूरी दुनिया में छाया खौफ है, देखो कोरोना कैसा आया है। कटघरे में खड़े देश की मांग है, इंसान समझे इसका विज्ञान है। हम ही बदल सकते इस हवा का रुख, हम ही बदल सकते हैं इस हवा का रुख, देखो कोरोना कैसा आया है। महामारी हर सवाल का जवाब है, तो प्रकृति को किया बेहाल है। महामारी हर सवाल का जवाब है, हम ही तो प्रकृति को किया है बेहाल। आज हमारे अत्याचार को वो दे रही है मुंह तोड़ जवाब, देखो कोरोना कैसा आया है। हा 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 ha 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 ha. I'm sure you all remember me very well now. Ha 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 ha. Are you excited to see me back? I definitely know you all are thrilled to know what I'm going to tell you next. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Till now, you have learned about what is coronavirus, what is COVID-19, how you're going to take care of yourself, how you're going to take care of your family and all. And when you are there in the house, what kind of precaution you're going to do. Washing your hands again and again. Once if you're going out, you have to wear the masks, you have to wear the gloves. Okay, and once you are back from your outside, you have to wash your hand again. Keep on sanitizing your hand, and whatever the gloves what you have worn, that you have to dispose of properly in the proper manner. This all you are doing, this all you know, okay, and maintaining the social distancing of 2 meters. But this time, the information I'm going to share with you is one of the most important of all. So pay attention, children. It is very, very important. This information, what I'm going to share with you, is one of the most important of all. Once again, I'm telling children. So kindly pay attention to it. Now you know I have 2 more friends. Yes? Ho, 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 ho. You know na very well. So I'm calling my another friend to explain you. Ho, 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 ho. Oh, my friend, kindly come.
Medical presentation.
Oh.
Clinical or medical presentation. When we say clinical or medical presentation, it is something that is based on science. That means your doctors have found out something. This is that wherever coronaviruses are present, we come along with respiratory systems. Coronaviruses present with respiratory symptoms. Among those, now the person who has become infected, some of them will show no symptoms, some of them will be seem very fine, no problem, nothing. But then there are some people who develop symptoms. Now the symptoms can be from mild to moderate. That is, people will seems like some of them will have flu, some of them will have no symptoms, like nothing. The person will look very fine, but the one who is having some symptoms, they will have respiratory symptom, they will have breathing problem or some flu kind of fever. Now, the some few of the symptoms that include are, the first we talk about respiratory system. When we say respiratory, we are talking about the breathing issues. When a person breathes in and breathe out, may find difficulty in breathing, may have fever, the fever that comes down sometimes very high, coughing and cold. Person may cough and cold. Not all the symptoms will be there, but few of them. Some may have all the symptoms, some may have no symptoms, and some may have very few symptoms. Then we talk about shortness of breath. Now, what is shortness of breath? That is, a person is having difficulty in breathing, breathing difficulty, unable to breathe. Then fatigue, tiredness. A person feels tired, lot of tiredness, not doing any work, nothing, just feeling like I want to sleep, this and that. Then also one of the important symptoms, sore throat. This is the most common symptom when we are present. The coronavirus is present. Sore throat is one of the common symptoms found everywhere. Now, what is sore throat? When we say sore throat, we are talking about when a person is not keeping well, unable to speak, burning sensation in the throat, unable to eat. So these are few of the symptoms. Then, a minority group of people will present with more severe symptoms. Now, the symptoms that we discussed were some of the mild symptom. Now, a small group or a few person of a few people, they may come up with intense severe symptoms. Now, this severe symptoms will need the person to be hospitalized. Now, these severe symptoms include illness such as pneumonia, and in some other cases, the illness will also include ARDs. ARDs are the heart disease, one of the uh, respiratory problem only. Then, emergency warning. When we say emergency warning, we are talking about signs where immediate attention is needed. If you find this emergency warning, a person is supposed to be admitted quickly without taking any time. This includes difficulty in breathing or shortness of breath. Also, persistent pain or pressure in the chest. A person will find pain or pressure in his chest. Then bluish lips or face. Now, these symptoms are very rare. You may find in very rare cases. So, if we find these type of symptoms, a person needs to be hospitalized in emergency case.
Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Now I'm going to call my another friend. She is going to explain you more about how to protect yourself. Ha 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 ha.
Uh, Valina miss, your microphone is off.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, friends. I hope you all remember me. I'm sure by now you might have got so much of information from my other two friends who have just given you. While I just have some more things to add on to that. If you notice here in the picture, you can see a large number of population are on a high risk. Yes, children, all those people who go to areas wherever you see a lot of crowd, like supermarket, malls, stations, or any crowded places, there is a very high risk of you consuming me. I may get in contact with you much easily because in crowded places it is difficult to maintain social distance. And as it's difficult to maintain social distance, I can jump and hop easily from one person to another. So remember, children and parents, that in large numbers of population, wherever you find it, I will always be there. High risk of population includes the virus that cause COVID-19 infects people of all ages. The virus does not see whether you are an adult, whether you're an infant or toddler or a senior citizen. I come to everybody. However, evidence to date suggests that two groups of people are at high risk of getting severe COVID 19 disease. It is very much, my dear friends, that I can easily go on to two groups of people, and they are older people, senior citizens, your grandparents, especially people over 70 years of age. I can get onto them very easily. So, if you are visiting any crowded places and while you're returning home, and if you have any elders or any senior citizens at home, especially people over 70 years of age, make sure that you don't go close to them. And make sure once you come back from a crowded place, immediately take a bath, keep yourself clean, and then greet your senior citizens, your grandparents at home. The second, people with serious chronic illness. I even infect these people very easily. People, especially with diabetes, cardiovascular heart disease, especially heart patients, people those whose heart are very, very at risk. I go and I affect them too. Chronic respiratory disease. That means your respiration, if you have asthma, if you have breathing problems, I go and affect, especially people with asthma, breathing problems, sinus, I affect those people very easily. Cancer patients, hypertension, people having low pressures, high pressures, or any other type of hypertensions, chronic liver disease, any liver infected disease, I come onto them very easily. So, my dear children, be very careful if you're visiting any crowded places. Maybe your immunity may be very strong, but the ones of at home, especially the ones containing from these two groups, may get infected very easily. So please remember, whenever you come back from a crowded place, instead of greeting them or sitting anywhere around in your house, the best is to enter your washroom, take a clean bath, and then greet them.
ha ha ha, ha 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 ha. ओके, अभी आप लोगों ने सुना मेरे दो दोस्त क्या कह रहे थे? क्या कह रहे थे? यही कि वहां पे दो ग्रुप बना हुआ है, एक जो ओल्डर पीपल का है, एक पीपल विथ सीरियस क्रोनिक इलनेस. इसलिए हमें बहुत इत्यादि बरतनी है. I hope now you know that there are two groups of people at a high risk of getting severe COVID-19. One is older people and people with the serious chronic illness. Now, who has advised what precaution should be taken for the high risk population? Now, what is that precaution? Come on, let us see. When you have a visitor, now everyone nowadays, now not so much of lockdown is there, but do you remember now the people are coming in our house and they are going? We have uncle and auntie, they are coming and going. But when you are having a visitor at your home, extend 1 meter greeting. Now, how you're going to do this greeting? Like waving, hello, nod, and bow. There is no need to touch or shake the hand. Okay, so whenever you have a visitor at your home, extend 1 meter greeting by just waving your hand, nodding, or bow. Request that visitor and those who live with you wash your hand. Anybody is entering in your house, it is very, very important that they have to wash their hand. Request them that they should wash the hand. Clean and disinfect surfaces in your home, especially those that people touch a lot. Now, how you will do that? Now, laptop is there, mobile is there. These two things we are touching, the remote of the TV and all, we are touching again and again, again and again. We are sitting on the sofas and all. So it is very, very important. Not only one time you have to clean it, you have to disinfect it, but especially you have to clean it again and again. Now, limited share spaces if some you live with not feeling well, especially with the possible COVID-19, especially with COVID-19 symptom. If you show the sign and the symptom of COVID illness, contact your healthcare provider by telephone. Please, this is very important point, children. And your parents, kindly listen. If you show sign and symptom of COVID-19 illness, contact your healthcare provider by telephone before visiting your healthcare facility. When you are in public, please pay attention, children over here. When you are in public, because who is saying high risk, okay, when you are in the public. So when you are in the public, practice the same preventive guidelines as what you do it at home. So what you are doing at home, you have to wash your hand. Then in the public, you can't go washing your hand. Yes, children. So what you're going to do, you're going to sanitize your hand. If you're wearing the gloves also, even though you have to put the sanitizer on your gloves and you have to sanitize your hand. Then wear a mask. Okay, you should not go without mask. I hope it is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
हर घर में यही नारा है, कोरोना को हराना है. इसने कैसा चक्कर चलाया, बड़े बड़ों को घर में बैठाया. अब इसको भी भगाना है, फिर से घूमने जाना है. थाली में सब्जी गायब, मुंह से पान और मावा गायब. महंगा दौर जमाना है, फिर से पनीर पापड़ खाना है. हम सबको मिलकर कोरोना को हराना है.
वाह वाह वाह, क्या बात कही है मेरी दोस्त ने. कोरोना को हम अकेले नहीं भगा सकते, हम सबको मिलकर भगाना है. वो कैसे, अब देखते हैं. प्रिवेंटिंग ट्रांसमिशन. The WHO suggests the following basic preventive measure to protect ourselves from new coronavirus. What are these? Come on. Stay up to date with the latest information. It is very, very important. We should be up to date. What is the latest information is there on COVID-19 outbreak through WHO, update or your local and national public health authority. Perform hand hygiene frequently with an alcohol-based hand rub if your hands are not visibly dirty, or with soap and water if hands are dirty. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth. Practice respiratory hygiene by coughing. Now, when the cough is coming, how you are going to cough? You are going to cough by coughing or sneezing in the bent elbow. Okay, in this way you have to cough and sneeze, or with the tissue paper. Okay, or with the tissue paper immediately, and after coughing and sneezing, this tissue paper immediately you have to dispose it off properly in the proper dustbin. Wear a medical mask. This is very, very, very important. Okay, wear a medical mask if you have a respiratory system and performing hand hygiene after disposing of the mask. Even though when you're wearing the mask, when you're removing the gloves and all, it is very, very important. Then you have to, when you're removing it, disposing it off properly, again you have to wash your hand. Maintain social distancing. That is very, very important from individual with respiratory system who is having the system, okay, who are having a symptom of the COVID-19. If you have fever, cough, and difficulty breathing, seek medical care. That is very, very, very important. If you have fever, cough, and difficulty breathing, seek medical care. This is what the WHO is saying. It is very important, children, that we have to take a precaution at home also, and when we are going out also. Because in home, we are more safe, but out, we are highly risk to get the symptoms of coronavirus. Virus is there, that is I. Ha, 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 ha. It is there outside to grab you. Once if you will not follow the precaution, you will not maintain the precaution measures or what is there to get safe from you, then I will come. Ha, 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 ha. So I hope you will all follow the rules or the guidelines which has been given by WHO.
सतर्क रहे, सुरक्षित रहे, कोरोना वायरस से सावधान रहे, क्योंकि सावधानी ही बचाव है। कोरोना को धोना है, हमें कोरोना को धोना है, भगाना है।
घबराओ मत, कोरोना वायरस ज्यादा दिन नहीं टिकेगा, क्योंकि वो मेड इन चाइना है। अरे दोस्तों, घबराओ मत, कोरोना वायरस ज्यादा दिन नहीं टिकेगा, क्योंकि वो मेड इन चाइना है।
गुनाह किसका है, सजा किसको मिली? गुनाह किसका है, सजा किसको मिली? जिंदगी किसको मौत मिली? गुनाह किसका है, सजा किसको मिली? किसे जिंदगी किसे मौत मिली? किसे जाकर मैं ये सवाल करूं? किसे जाकर मैं ये सवाल करूं? किसके आगे बवाल करूं? किसे जाकर ये सवाल करूं? किसके आगे मैं बवाल करूं? आखिर विश्व को कोरोना से हराना है। हर घर में सहमी जान मिली, हर घर में सहमी जान मिली। गुनाह किसका, चलो पहले, गुनाह किसका, हर घर में सहमी जान मिली। चलो चलो पहले दूसरे और देखते हैं, चलो पहलू दूसरी और देखते हैं। गंगा पवित्र हो गई, गंगा पवित्र हो गई, दूर से हिमालय दिखता है। सड़कों पर भीड़ कम है, माँ का आंचल भरा भरा है। सड़कों पर भीड़ कम है, माँ का आंचल भरा भरा है। जो नहीं बोलते थे माँ बाप से बेटे, जो नहीं बोलते थे माँ बाप से बेटे, जो माँ से आग चुराते थे, साथ बैठकर खाना खा रहे हैं। बचपन के किस्से सुना रहे हैं, साथ बैठकर खाना खा रहे हैं, बचपन के किस्से सुना रहे हैं। सुना है रामायण नहीं देखी जिसने, सुना है रामायण नहीं देखी जिसने, आज बाप को पिताश्री बुला रहे हैं। बचपन की गलती किसकी भी हो, बचपन की गलती किसकी भी हो, प्रकृति बदला लेती है। जो खुद को भगवान समझते थे, जो खुद को कायनात समझते थे, औकात दिखा दी पल भर में, हकीकत बदल दी पल भर में। तुम मेहमान मात्र संसार में, सच्चाई बदल दी पल भर में। कोरोना बहुत ही स्वाभिमानी और आत्मसम्मान से भरा हुआ वायरस है। वो तब तक आपके घर नहीं आएगा जब तक आप उसे खुद लेने नहीं बाहर नहीं निकलते। वो तब तक आपके घर नहीं आएगा जब तक आप उसे लेने खुद बाहर नहीं निकलते। घर ही पे रहिए, उसे लेने बाहर मत जाइए। घर ही पर रहिए, उसे लेने बाहर मत जाइए। Stay safe.
Stay home.
Stay healthy. Thank you.
Thank you.